Nobody trains to be mediocre, to be average. Nobody wakes up every morning to be average.
He has been a member of Team USA since 2004.
So I took a second and I told myself that there's more to life than living in a parking lot at a convenience store.
Ranked as the #1 athlete in the world 12 out of the 15 years of his career.
Ask me how I'm doing.
How you doing?
I'm struggling. I'm struggling looking at you, not being honest with yourself.
With 32 international titles and 3 U.S. bronze medals.
He looked at me and said, "You're screwing up. And before you're 16 years old, if you're not behind bars, then you'll probably be dead."
The most decorated athlete in Washington State history as an 11-time NCAA All-American.
Poverty is one of the best things that's ever happened to me. It taught me to fight. It taught me every single day is going to be a fight, and you're going to struggle and you're going to hit these walls, but you've already come from nothing. People expect you to do nothing.